How to avoid mental conflict? The following is the ideal way to overcome this conflict for those who have this difficulty. Make this practical statement frequently, particularly period to sleep by the day and by night. I am being prospered in all of my interests. This affirmation will not arouse any argument because it does not contradict your subconscious mind's impression of financial lack. I suggest to one businessman holds whose sale and financial were very low and who was greatly worried that he sit down in his office, become quiet, and repeat this statement over and over again. My sales are improving every day. This statement engaged the cooperation of the conscious and subconscious mind. Result follow.